Hello. First of all the changes that you requested have been completed. First of here, we go to products and fuels. The kerosene, paraffin, and heavy fuel oil have been added. Secondly, these menus that you see here are not clickable. If you click on these menus, the tab closes. Whereas if you look at here, the sub menus are all clickable. If you want to go to any page, click on the sub menus. It will take you there to directly towards page. Okay, the all the and the other changes that are added are for in fertilizer, I guess potassium chloride. Okay, let load. Okay, the website page is loaded. As you can see, all the information regarding potassium chloride, its properties, advantages, and all the other stuff, everything is added